In this lesson, we are given PB is a tangent to circle ABC. Line PA is parallel to BC. Prove that triangle PAB is similar to triangle ABC. It is always like this. Before we can talk about the sides of the triangles that are proportional, we need to prove that the two triangles are similar to one another. So in triangle PAB and triangle ABC, we need three reasons to prove that two triangles are similar to one another. So the first reason, since they told us that PA is parallel to BC, we can use alternate angles to prove that angle A of this triangle is equal to angle B of this triangle. Angle A1 is equal to angle B2. Why? These are alternate angles because you need to always say which lines are parallel, because PA is parallel to BC. The second reason, now they told us that PB is a tangent. PB is a tangent. Now look carefully. You have a tangent and you have a chord, and there's an angle between your tangent and the chord, and we say this angle is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So we have angle B being equal to angle C because we used the tan-chord theorem. Now we are left with the third reason. The third pair of angles which we need to prove are equal. Now when I look at my diagram, I don't see how. So we have proven that angle B2 is equal to angle A1. We have also proven that angle B2 is equal to angle C. So we are only left with angle A2 and angle P. Now I don't see which theorem I shall use to prove that they are equal, but since we have mentioned the first two reasons, we can just say angle A2 is equal to angle P, since these are the two remaining corresponding angles. And the reason, we can just say this is the third angle of a triangle. Why? Because if you have proven that two pairs of angles are equal, then there's no way the third pair is unequal. When you're done mentioning the first two reasons and you're struggling to find the third reason, you can just say it is the third angle of the of a triangle. Therefore, triangle PAB is similar to triangle ABC. How? Because three angles of each triangle are equal to the other three corresponding angles of the other triangle. Again, these two triangles, we have just proven that they are similar because this angle of this triangle is equal to this angle of this triangle, and we have found three angles from each triangle being equal to the other corresponding angles of the other triangle. B, we are required to prove that the ratio of PA is to AB is equal to the ratio of AB is to BC. Now we need to rewrite this as fractions, right, so that we can understand which sides they are talking about. So something is to something means that PA is divided by AB, and AB, is it AB? Yeah, AB is divided by BC. This is what we need to prove. So since triangle PAB is similar to triangle ABC, you know that when two triangles are similar to one another, their corresponding sides are in the same proportion. So we need to take out all the corresponding sides from this notation. We need to take out those all of those corresponding sides of our triangles from this statement. So we say PA divided by AB is proportional to AB divided by BC. AB divided by BC is proportional to PB divided by AC. Now we need PA and AB. We also need AB and BC. So we just take out this pair from all the sides of our triangles that are corresponding. So we have PA divided by AB is proportional to AB divided by BC. Now we need to state a reason why these two pair of sides are proportional to one another. So the reason is these are corresponding sides of triangles that are in the same proportion. We need to rewrite this in this form so that we can conclude. So we have PA is to AB is equal to AB is to BC. Yes, so we have proven that the ratio between PA and AB is equal to the ratio of AB is to BC. Now C, we are required to prove that side AP of this triangle, when you divide it with side BP, their ratio is equal to side AB of this triangle when you divide it with side AC. Now we will always go back to that statement that states that triangle PAB is similar to triangle ABC, and from this we will take out all the corresponding sides that are in proportion. So we have PA divided by AB is proportional to AB divided by BC is proportional to PB divided by AC. Now from this we need AP. We have PA, BP, we need AB, we have two ABs, and we need AC. So we will be taking this pair. We have I'm going to write PA as AP so that we have similar statements. AP divided by AB is proportional to PB. I'm going to write it as BP because this is how it appears here. BP divided by AC. Now these are the two pairs of sides that we took from all the sides of the triangles that are in all the corresponding sides of our triangle that are in the same proportion. So we need to write a reason why this pair of sides are proportional to one another. So we say these are corresponding sides of our two triangles that are in the same proportion. Now in order for us to prove this, we need to be careful. AP is a numerator, yes, but here AB is a denominator and we need to make it a numerator on this side. So we need to rearrange these sides so that they match up what they asked us to prove. This is what we are required to prove, and this is what we have obtained from our similarity statement. So we need to make AB the numerator on the side. So in order for us to do that, we need to rearrange the sides. So we need to cross multiply. We have AP multiplied by AC is equal to AB multiplied by BP. Now on this side we need to have AP as a numerator, so we need to get rid of AC. So we divide by AC on this side and we divide by AC on this side. This AC cancels with this AC and we are left with AP is equal to AB multiplied by BP divided by AC. Now on this side we have AP divided by 1 since it's a numerator. Now on this side we need to have AB as a numerator. So this means we need to get rid of this BP. Now how do we do that? We multiply both sides by 1 over BP. So if this BP is a denominator, when you multiply this, we are going to have BP divided by BP and they will cancel each other out. So what we do on the right hand side, we also do on the left hand side, multiplied by 1 over BP. 1 will multiply with AP and we'll get AP divided by BP will multiply with 1 and we will be having BP is equal to, on this side we are only left with AB divided by AC. Now this looks exactly as what they asked us to prove. So yeah, this is how you prove that two pairs of corresponding sides of two triangles that are similar are in the same proportion. Thank you for watching.